Hey everyone, it's Desiree, and I am here with Rubber Stamp Tapestry and a design team project, and we are going to create a card using the Sweet Slice of Summer. Now I'll link up to the release video that I just recently did on the Rubber Stamp Tapestry Peg Stamps new release that they just did. So it's 8 sets of peg stamps and then just many individual ones. So I'll just make sure I'll try to link it up here if I remember, which I tend to forget. But we're going to give it a shot. Okay, so we are going to, as I said, use this peg stamp set. It has 5 peg stamps, 1 in medium and 5 in small. And let's just dive right in and get started. I'm going to be using the sentiment, "Life is better when you are laughing." And I believe that, absolutely. So I'm going to use that. That is from the Memory Box Open Studio stamp set, and it is called Joyful Moments. So let's get started. I'm going to flip over to a voiceover. See you there. Okay, so I have my card panel here, and that is cut to 4 by 5 1/4. I first want to stamp my sentiment. Now the sentiment I'm using is from a Memory Box Open Studio stamp set called Joyful Moments stamp set. And I just love the sentiment. Life is better when you are laughing. It relieves anxiety. it just makes you smile. Usually laughs are also infectious. So that is what's wonderful about laughter. So anyway, so I wanted to take care of that first because the stamping that I'm going to do with these peg stamps are going to surround it. So, and I'm not going to draw any circles, guys. Let's just have fun with that stamping. I'm going to use my Concord and 9th inks. I really do enjoy the color palette that this set has. And the colors I'm using are Evergreen, Parsley, Sprout, Poppy, and Mushroom. So I'm starting out with the Evergreen, and I am stamping off first. Now, what I'm trying to do is, you can tell as I'm stamping off, I'm only getting part of it, like maybe one side of it. And I want that because I do like the difference when it comes to the way that looks. And I've got that kind of two-tone effect going on there. This is where I'm coming in with Parsley. And these are for the leaves. I'm also going to use Sprout for the same leaf. And you can tell I specifically, guys, I'm not going crazy. You're sitting there going, that's not a circle. No, I wanted it to be oval, you know, because it reminded me of the watermelon. I love these peg stamps. You can do so much with them. And I know I say it in every video that I show, but it is true. You can create your own pattern paper. You can create your own scenes. You can stamp images out of these peg stamps. They are so versatile. I think it's awesome. I think it's absolutely awesome. Especially the holiday sets, because they are perfect for tags. If you like making your own tags, but you don't want to put all that time in and coloring and embossing and doing all that. Me, I love tags, so I'll always do that. But these are great just to create those backgrounds with those Christmas scenes. Beautiful tags, quick, easy, to the point. And that's what these do. So you can see I've got this funky looking ring going around that sentiment. And now we're just going to fill it in with the mushroom for the seeds. But I just thought this peg set was just so cute. Sweet Slice of Summer. How about it? And we are quickly coming out of it. I cannot believe how fast this year has gone. It's just going away. We are right around the corner from the holidays. And yes, I am already starting to get questions and emails. Yes, we are going to do the Christmas card series for 2021. But again, it doesn't start until after Thanksgiving. Sorry, can't. Okay, so now we're going to back our panel. So I've taken that panel and I put it on another panel that was close to the watermelon color that I used, Poppy, and that was cut 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then all of this is put onto a green panel measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so that is going to go onto my standard A2 size card base, again measuring 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and this will be a top folding card. I know probably some of you are like, oh my god, she's using a tape runner. I found it, gotta use it up. So nothing goes to waste, but I am just not a tape runner person. We just don't get along. The only one that I get along with is my ATG gun, but I think I'm going to knock out my camera with that thing one of these days. So that I use that for when I'm working on my side projects. Anyway, so I grabbed some black gems and placed those around as well throughout the ring. And that is our card. Cute, simple, and sure to make anyone smile and laugh. So I hope you enjoyed today's project featuring rubber stamp tapestry and of course their peg stamp sets. This one, Sweet Slice of Summer. As always, the products that I used will be listed down below in the video description if you want to check them out. And to be transparent, yes, they are affiliate links. So that means I just get a small commission when you do click and make a purchase, and it's some of those links down there. Not all of them are. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't yet, I'd love for you to subscribe. Hit that button. Make sure you get the notifications because, yes, we'll give it a shot if you're notified of it. But I'd love to have you here as part of my group. Continue to enjoy your day and continue to stay safe. But remember what truly is most important to me. Always be creative. See y'all in the next video. Till then.